Okay. So now I present jawapan Syafika. Okay, tak? Okay. Can you see? Boleh nampak ke? Boleh kan? Okay. So if follow the answer from Shafika, the angle A equals to 70 degree, angle P also 70 degree, and then the length of AB 4 centimeter, PQ 8 centimeter. So the ratio PQ over AB, 8 over 4, and then equals to 2 over 1. Okay, Shafika, you write it into the 2 over 1 equals to 2 lah, ho. You don't let the final answer is like that, oh. Kita jangan biarkan jawapan akhir per 1 lah, ho. So 2 bahagi 1 sama dengan 2. Sama juga untuk case yang seterusnya, oh. So your answer is correct. And then angle B equals to angle Q, 45 degree. BC 3 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, ratio equals to 2. Angle C equals to angle R, 65 degree, and then CA 3 centimeter, RP 6 centimeter, and then we will get the ratio 2. Okay, so this is answer from Shafika. Yeah, correct. Very good. Well done. No? Okay. So for those who didn't have the protractor, maybe you can copy down or jot down the answer first. Later on, you can measure back lah, huh? You boleh ukur balik kemudian. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, dah? Alright, okay, now we go back to our notes, okay. So I hope that all of you already. Okay, now, okay, already, so you just finish the table. So what do you mean? So means that these two triangle ABC and PQR, these two triangle ABC and PQR are similar. Are similar. Okay, are similar. Because all the corresponding angle are equal, and also all the ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Dia memenuhi lah, satisfy all the both conditions here. So these two triangle ABC and PQR are similar. Dua segitiga ini adalah serupa. Hanya size lebih besar lebih kecil. Tetapi size lebih besar lebih kecil tidak boleh sebarang. Dia mesti mempunyai nisbah sisi sebadang yang sama. Kalau tidak nisbah itu tak sama, itu bukan similar juga. Okay, so this is one of the small experiment lah. Okay, so next we go to the next. Okay, so we have a note here. If all the corresponding side of a pair of triangles are proportional means in the ratio lah, in the same ratio. Then all the corresponding angle are equal and vice versa. Maksudnya, kalau dua segitiga ataupun satu pasangan segitiga itu adalah perkadaran. Perkadaran maksudnya semua nisbah sisi sebadang adalah sama. Kalau sisi sebadang adalah sama dalam nisbah yang sama, automatik, dia punya sudut pun semuanya sama. Ataupun kalau semua sudut dia sama, secara automatik dia punya sisi sebadang pun adalah dalam nisbah yang sama. Itu maksudnya. Salah satu ada memang sudah memenuhi sebenarnya lah sebab dia memang akan sama. Okay? Itu maksud dia di sini. Okay, we go to example 7 now. Determine whether each of the following geometric objects are similar. Give your reason. Okay, so we look at the A first. Jangan salin jawapan dulu. A dulu. Okay, so if we look at triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Okay, ABC, you are given angle A and angle B. So I write down the angle C. We know that the one triangle, interior angle for the triangle is 180 degree. So we will get the angle C, 180 minus 47 minus 79 is 54. 54, I think. Okay, and then for the triangle EFG, angle F 79, angle G is 54. So we can find the angle E, 180 minus 79 minus 54. All right. So now the question asks you to determine whether the following object is similar or not. So similarity, we just need to evaluate one of the conditions. Kita cuba menilai lah salah satu syarat tadi, sama ada semua sudut sebadan sama ataupun semua sisi sebadan dengan nisbah yang sama. Okay, tapi kalau untuk contoh A di sini, we only can do is we compare the angle because we don't know the length of the side, right? So already enough for us to determine whether the geometric objects are similar or not. Okay, if we look at the angle here, 47 on the left, angle A, 47. And then on the right, angle E, 47. And then angle B, 79. And then angle F, 79. Angle C, 54. Angle G, 54. So all the corresponding angle are equal. All right. So you write down. You write down sebab saya bagi awak banyak. Saya bagi awak banyak itu ruangan di sini. So you can write down. Okay, you write down. All corresponding angle are equal. All corresponding angle are equal. Okay, therefore, the pair of geometric objects are similar. Okay, therefore, the pair of geometric objects are similar. Mereka adalah similar lah. Dia nak tanya similar ke tidak, tapi kita tambah sendiri satu lah, iaitu dia punya syarat, mana satu syarat telah dipenuhi, iaitu semua sisi sebadan sama. Itu jawapan A. Okay, now we go to the B. Okay, so this is a square, square ABCD and ABCD is a square, but PQRS is a rectangle because length and width is different. So these questions, because all the angle is 90 degrees, so angle no problem. Because for the both object we have a same corresponding angle. So itu tidak boleh kita ambil sebagai jawapan lah. So for these questions we need to use a corresponding side. Okay, for example, AB is a 6 centimeter. AB is equal to P, not equal, is corresponding to PQ. PQ is a 10 centimeter. So maybe you can use AB over PQ. If you want to use PQ over AB, also correct. Tetapi kalau awak guna PQ over AB, nanti satu lagi pasangan kita kena pakai PS dulu lah. Kemudian bahagi dengan AD. Dia kalau awak mula dengan segi 4 itu dulu, awak kena semua mula dengan segi 4. Tidak boleh kata pasangan nisbah yang pertama kita guna segi 4 dulu di atas, lepas itu nanti pasangan kedua kita guna segi 4 sama pula sebagai atas. Tak boleh, mesti sama. Okay, so di sini saya guna AB. AB is 6 cm divided by PQ. PQ is 10. So 6 over 10 equals to 3 over 5, the ratio. And then AD, because I use a blue color now, just now I use a red color, right? So that you can recognize well. Okay, AD is a 6 cm and PS equals to 12. So AD over PS, 6 over 12, so you will get 1 over 2. Okay, after we do these two ratio, we know that we get that these two ratio are different, is it? It's different. So what do you think? Is it similar? No. But you need to write down now. You just write down not all the corresponding, not all upper ratio there. This one, not all ratio of corresponding side are equal. Bukan semua. Not all ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Therefore, not similar. Tak perlu panjang lah. Therefore, not similar. Write the conclusions. Not all ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Therefore, not similar. Jane, dapat ikut ke Jane? Mana Jane ada ke? Stephanie sudah left. Saya rasa dia punya line tak bagus. Rosiana, your line is okay? Joseph, are you okay? Jane kata okay. Okay. Elena, still sleepy?
No.
Okay, can follow her. Okay, so we continue. Okay, thank you. So B already. Okay, now we go to page 75. Page 75. Okay, C. Okay, if you look at the C, okay, maybe you can try C and D first. I give you 2 minutes and then I show you the answer. Okay. So you write, you try C and D now, and then I show you the answer later on. Oh, Stephanie is come back. Thank you. I know that all of you already try your best to join the group. And then I understand that some of the time maybe the connection is very, very poor. I understand actually. Joseph, masih mengantuk ke? Joseph?
No.
Tak dengar, Joseph. Oh, no. Okay. C and D now. So can somebody tell me C similar or not similar? Clarissa. C, similar or not similar?
Not similar.
Not similar. Okay, so maybe we can check the answer together. So if you look at this is 5 size. This is a 5 size. I think this is a pentagon. A, B, C, D, E, and then another is P, Q, R, S, T. And then if we look at here, maybe what we can do is, because all the corresponding angle are equal, 90 degree we have 2, yes, we have 2, 100 degree we have, 130 degree we have, so tinggal satu itu memanglah sama kan kalau you kira. So we just can do is, what we can do is, we try to find the ratio of the side, corresponding side. For example, I use ED 8 centimeter, ED corresponding to RQ, RQ. So 8/4 is 2. Okay, we take another pair. I take CD. CD corresponding to SR or RSR, up to you lah. SR, RS sama lah. So 12 centimeter divided by 4 is 3. So these two ratio are not same, right? Not equal. Not equal. So the answer from Clarissa is correct lah. Very good. So you just write down not all ratio of corresponding angle are, not all ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Bukan semua sisi sebadang. Bukan semua nisbah bagi sisi sebadang adalah sama. Not all ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Therefore, not similar. Jawapan not similar. Jadi sebelum not similar itu kita cuba bagi sikit alasan apa? Kita cubalah. Okay, dah. Okay, next we go to D now. Okay, D. Okay, so D. Nazim, can you tell me your answer? Is it similar or not similar? Nazim?
Not similar.
Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. Not similar. Another times, not similar. Because if we look at because this is a unique, we can use a unique. For example, AD is 3 unique. 3 petak 3 unique lah, maksudnya 1 petak 1 unique lah. CD equals to 2 unique, and then PS 4 unique, SR 4 unique also. So we can find the ratio. AD over PS 3 over 4. Okay, and then CD over RS 2 over 4. 3 over 4 is not equal to 2 over 4, is it? So you just write down, not all ratio of the corresponding side are equal. Therefore, not similar. Therefore, not similar. Not all. Okay, bukan semua nisbah sisi sebadang adalah sama. Jadi, dia adalah tidak serupa, not similar. Okay, so I think all of you already. Okay, we continue. Okay, number 4, and now we go to enlargement. Enlargement. Enlargement is a transformation where all the point of object move from the center of enlargement with a constant ratio that is known as a scale factor K. Okay, so enlargement, enlargement we have two very important information we need to give when we do the enlargement. Apabila kita buat pembesaran nanti, ada dua maklumat penting mesti kita sertakan bersama. Number 1 is a center of enlargement. Center of enlargement normally we can write into two forms. Number 1 is in the point, means we give a coordinate. If we cannot give the coordinate, if the diagram don't have a coordinate, we can write the center of enlargement by using the letter. Normally capital letter lah. Dia guna huruf lah mungkin. At the center P, at the center A. Okay. And number 2 is a scale factor. Scale factor K. We can use the scale factor is a K lah, small lowest case letter K. Scale factor means faktor skala ini bermaksud berapa kali dia telah dibesarkan atau dikecilkan. So seperti dalam kelas hari itu saya telah beritahu enlargement ini, pembesaran ini, dia tidak semesti kecil jadi besar. If small to become a bigger, the scale factor is greater than 1. But now, if the object is a big, but the image is small, means that the bigger to become smaller. Itu juga enlargement, but the scale factor is less than 1. Less than 1 means maybe we have a fraction 1/2, 1/3. Kalau besar jadi kecil, dia punya faktor skala pecahan lebih kecil daripada 1. Kalau dia punya objek kecil, image besar, kecil jadi besar, faktor skala dia lebih daripada 1. Okay, nanti kita akan tengok lagi ya. Okay, so this is a example center of enlargement. Ini boleh tengok daripada buku teks. Saya ambil gambar ini daripada buku teks awal juga. So this is the object and then this is the image. So kecil jadi besar. So dia punya image, dia punya pusat di belakang objek. Okay, so we can found the scale factor K equals to bagaimana kita nak cari faktor skala. Kita ada rumus dia, iaitu length of the side of image divided by the length of side of object. So maybe we can remember like this. Scale factor K equals to image divided by object I over A. I over O. I over O. Image bahagi object. Kita ambil mana-mana satu sisi yang sepadan. Sisi yang sepadan, mana-mana. Okay, so contohnya di sini saya ambil PA, PA, is a image. Daripada pusat sampai ke image, dia punya sisi ya, PA, normally comma is a image ya. And then divide by the object is a PA. PA ya, dia mula daripada pusat. Ramai pelajar apabila kita buat soalan seperti ini, the student will assume that the side of the image is a AA, ramai apabila buat ini, mereka akan anggap sisi image itu ialah A hingga A, bukan, dia mesti mula daripada pusat. PA, barulah image. Object PA. Bukan AA, Okay, so this is a formula to find the K. Kalau di SPM memang enlargement memang setiap tahun ada soalan dia. Okay, and then for the enlargement, we can find the area. Area of the formula, area of the image equals to K square. Why we have a K square? Just now, if we want to find the scale factor, we use a K, right? But here is a K square because this is the area. Area we need to square K square scale factor square times the area of object. Area of object. So mungkin awak akan guna ini juga. Awak boleh guna ini mana dia. You also can write the K square equals to area of image divided by area of the object. Sama sajalah. Hanya cara kita tulis. Kalau tulis dalam pecahan, K square equals to image divided by object. Area of image divided by area of object. Okay. So, this maybe kita bincang sekejap lah. Kita tengok jadual. Mungkin jadual ini tidak berapa jelas dalam edaran awak sebab fotostat kan. So, kalau tak berapa jelas, awak boleh baca daripada buku teks anda lah. Boleh baca daripada buku teks. Ini dia. Kita tengok yang PI. Yes. Okay, this one. If the scale factor K greater than 1, more than 1, so the size of the image is larger than the object. Memanglah, kalau dia punya K seperti yang saya kata lebih daripada 1, maka dia punya size image, size of image mesti lebih besar, larger than the object. Maksudnya kecil jadi besar lah. Okay, dan kedua-dua berada pada satu sisi yang sama, be on the same side. Objek dan image, dua-dua objek dan image adalah pada sebelah yang sama daripada pusat P. P is the center. Okay, and if the K equals to 1 means that the object and the image are the same size. Okay, also on the same side from the center P. Ini jarang kita uji lah kalau objek sama dengan image itu. Walaupun pembesaran kita memang jarang uji K sama dengan 1 lah. Biasanya K lebih daripada 1. Jot down K greater than 1. Always. And then if the K is between 0 to 1, means just now I said that is a fraction 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. Means that the size of image is smaller than the object. Sekarang image lebih kecil daripada objek. Besar jadi kecil. So dia punya faktor skala menjadi pecahan. Tapi positif pecahan. And then both the object and image are on the same size. Masih pada sisi yang sama. Sisi yang sama. Okay, so this is a scale factor positive. Okay, no problem. Now we go to number 4, number 5, number 6. This is a scale factor negative. Mungkin awak kata, faktor skala boleh negatif? Boleh ya. Faktor skala tidak semesti positif. Dia boleh negatif. Kalau negatif, objek image adalah berada pada pertentangan sisi. Maksudnya pusat di tengah-tengah antara objek dan image seperti gambar raja 4, 5, 6 ini. Kalau you banding dengan 1, 2, 3 tadi, kenapa kita kata on the same side? Maksudnya pada sisi yang sama. Kalau kalau objek di kiri, image pun di kiri. Objek di kanan, image pun di kanan. Kemudian pusat dia sama ada di belakang dua-dua atau di depan dua-dua. Tetapi untuk kalau scale factor negatif, dia punya center of enlargement is in between the object and image. Okay, so if the K is in between -1 to 0, means that less than 0, and then but greater than -1. Okay, so the image is smaller than object. Image lebih kecil daripada objek lah. Okay, tetapi mereka berada pada opposite side. Okay, ini terbalik daripada tadi ya. Kalau tadi 0 to 1, smaller than, sama lah, smaller than. Okay, alright. But this is in pecahan. For example, -1/2, -1/3. So you remember the negative only means that the object and image are on the opposite side. So negatif itu hanya memberitahu kita mereka berada pada sisi yang bertentangan. Okay, tetapi sebenarnya kita tengok pecahan atau nombor itu sajalah untuk menentukan dia punya size besar kecil lah. Negatif itu hanya menunjukkan dia punya objek image berada pada pertentangan sisi ya, dan pusat di tengah-tengah. K equals to -1. Okay, object and image are the same size. And then the last one is a K less than -1. Less than -1 means, for example, -2, -3. So the image is larger or bigger than the object lah. Okay, but on the opposite side. On the opposite side. So this table maybe you can read it well. From your textbook if you feel that that is not very clear, or you can jot down into your notes lah. Kalau dia tak jelas, awak jelaskan dia lah. Okay. Okay, so I think that this is our last exercise before we stop this morning. So later on I will give you some exercise. So tips number 1, the center of enlargement can be determined from the intersection point between all the straight lines which are connecting each pair of the corresponding point. So actually the center of enlargement, bagaimana kita nak tentukan pusat pembesaran ini ya? Kita boleh tentukan daripada titik persilangan. Titik persilangan nanti saya akan beritahu apa maksud intersection point dalam contoh lapang nanti ya. And then negative scale factor will cause the image to appear on the other side. Kalau dia punya faktor skala nilai dia negatif, maka objek image bertentangan arah, opposite side. And then image will be inverted. Image akan dalam songsang sisi ya, image tersongsang, inverted. Saya rasa kalau ini awak belajar fizik, dalam fizik ada satu tajuk di bawah light. Light ialah cahaya. Di dalam bab itu awak akan belajar tentang ini ya. Belajar tentang ini. Okey, saya tak pasti sudah belajar atau tidak lah. Okey, saya rasa mungkin sudah. Light, L-I-G-H-T ya, cahaya. Okey, example 8. Okey. Kita tengok A. We describe. What do you mean by describe? Describe mean we need to write out the description. We write down the sentence of the enlargement. Okay, you are given the object. This is a triangle. Triangle R and triangle R prime. R prime means is the image. So the smaller one is the object, the bigger one is the image. Image. Okay, now maybe first of all we can find the scale factor first. So from the object, I use the horizontal line 2 unit here, and then from the image also we need to use the same corresponding side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit. So remember to find the K is the image divided by object. Image is a 6, object is a 2, so 6/2. So the K equals to 3. Maksudnya image telah apabila objek pergi image, ianya telah dibesarkan 3 kali ganda. That is the meaning of scale factor lah. Dia telah dibesarkan, enlarged 3 times. 3 kali ganda dibesarkan. Mesti guna sisi ini untuk banding ke? Tak semesti. Kalau you guna menegak pun boleh. Biasanya kita ambil mengufuk menegak supaya senang untuk kita ambil petak dia lah. Kalau menegak objek 3 petak. Image 9 petak. So 9 bahagi 3 pun 3 kan. Okay, after we get the scale factor, we need to determine the center. Seperti tadi kita kata intersection point kan. So bagaimana buat intersection point? Kita cuba ambil bucu yang sebadan, corresponding edge. Corresponding edge. Okay, contohnya bucu 90 darjah ini, bucu this point and this point. And then we use a ruler, we connect these 2 points. Kita panjangkan 2 bucu ini guna pembaris, panjangkan. Lepas itu pilih satu lagi pasangan bucu yang sebadan. For example, this one, I use this one. And another one, this one. Dia mesti sebadan. Okay, 2 titik ini sebadan. So, saya guna pembaris, saya sambungkan. Apabila saya sambungkan, tengok 2 garis merah ini. Apabila disambungkan, dia ada apa ini? Ada titik persilangan. Ada titik persilangan. So, itu ialah pusat pembesaran. So the coordinate is -4, 4. -4, 4. Okay, so how to describe? The answer is the blue one, this sentence. So you write down enlargement with scale factor of 3. K is 3, scale factor of 3 at the center, -4, 4. This is a full description for enlargement. Itu cara kita buat perihal. Kita hurai dalam ayat. Pembesaran dengan faktor skala 3 pada pusat -4, 4. Itu jawapan A. Itu jawapan A. All of you ready? Sudah? Can somebody respond to me? Adakah Anda sudah? Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. So this morning, your exercise is example 8. Example 8, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J until J. Write the description. We have normally around 20 minutes. Okay, so you do it now, and then you snap, hantar. Snap, hantar, muka surat 76, 77. Actually, you just can snap the example 8 lah, A to I, sorry, A to J, A to J, so you can A to J, okay, okay, so tengah di sini so itu sahaja untuk bagi ini. Jadi nanti pukul 8.30, 8:30 ataupun before, you can send the example 8 into our Telegram group. Hanya contoh 8 sahaja awak hantar, A sampai J, awak buat huraian ataupun berihal. Okay, another one is apa tadi saya nak beritahu. Okay, untuk esok. Esok pagi kita ada 3 waktu, iaitu pukul 9 hingga pukul 10.30. 3 waktu kan. Jadi awak mula dulu. Kita mula pada pukul 9 and then saya akan tamat pada pukul 9.40. Around 1.5 period. And then because the second 1.5 period I will together with 5 unggul sebab you orang memang waktu dia sama. Contohnya pagi ini 2 waktu ini apabila saya bersama awak 5 unggul saya bagi mereka rakaman video macam itulah. So pagi esok, tomorrow morning we still have a Google Meet, that is 9 to 9:40. So after 9:40 to 10:30, you do the exercise. I will give you the exercise. So that is a planning for tomorrow morning. So I think that's all for this morning. And then you have a 16 minute, 60 minutes again. And then you can do it and then send into the Telegram. So now you can left the group now, so you can do the preparation for, you can finish our exercise. So thank you. That's all for this morning.
Thank you, sir.